Hello, dear students. I, Dinesh Karmalkar, your comedy teacher, welcomes you to JVM's New English School Kalwa online teaching classes. And today we are going to see our next practical of Standard 8th. The objective of today's practical is today we are going to do a revision of creating reports. But today we are going to create report using the report tool. Last time we have seen how to create report with the help of report wizard. We have started how to create reports. Before also we have done this. We are revising this topic of creating reports. Today we are going to do revision of creating report using the report tool. And for this, the software requirements are as usual. We are going to use Microsoft Access 2016, or you can use Microsoft Access 2019. If you are using the older versions, then you have the steps will be slightly different. Now, the steps will be here as usual. Last time what we did, the same table we are going to use, students table, which have these fields already. We have typed this, if you remember. I will enter file records. All we are done. Only we are going to create a report using the report tool. So all this we are done, half the parts. That only table I am again opening, and we will revise again once again the report wizard for better understanding. So what I will do, I will open the Access first. Today I am not going to the blank database. I am going to take the student details which I had done last time. I will click enable content, and I will, this is the record here. In this I will add one more, let's say add one more field to this. More 10 standard record I will add here. Let's say its grade is A. Okay, so one more record I added here. Total now records are 6 here. Now first of all I will revise you how to create the reports, these reports using the which we had done in the last time. How done we are done with the report wizard. Once again we will go through that first, and then I will show you with the today's option, that is the report tool or the blank report. Here you can see this option is there, and this is the report tool, and this is the blank report. Today we will explore the other options, but first of all we will see what we have done in the last time. We have used the report wizard here. I told you for selecting single we have to take this single arrow, so you can add the single fields, and to remove this you have to click this, and to add all you can use this one, and to remove all you can use this one. Now let's add all fields, then click next here. So here I am not doing any grouping. If you remember last time I done grouping, I'll click next. Now you can see here, click next, and tabular form only I will take. I click next, and this is student report 1 I will write here, click finish. So this is the report which I created with the help of simple. Now you can see here R is not coming properly, M is not coming properly. If that is, you can do rectify the design. Of course today I am not doing it here. So this report we are done with the report wizard, in which it doesn't have any flexibility to do it. To modify it we have to go in the report design only, but report wizard you can see only reports this one. So now let's close this, and we can just close this one here. You can, this I have shown you in the design, you can do just increase the use in the option to R, and a little bit option to make it M. So I will save this, and I will close this, and now if you double click you will get proper R and M. Now let's today's option we'll see. This is the report wizard. We have seen how we are done in the report wizard. Now let's today we'll do it with the today's option, that is the blank report. I will click here a blank report. Now in this blank report which we have the table here, so it will, I will click here show all tables. Now in the it will show whatever tables. Now only I have one table here, you can student table, so I am getting only one tabular, which you can edit a table, or you can click the for getting the fields. Now in this you know there are 6 fields. If you see in this student, you can there are 6 fields are there. To get that I had to just click here plus sign, like this it was there. When you click this plus sign you will get all the 6 fields. When I went to the other field it is get only, but normally it was like this, and when I click this you will get these 6 fields. Now only we have to do just we have to drag these fields one by one on this here report. We can drag this. In the field display you can see there is a minus and plus sign, and you get all the fields. Now we will drag the fields. Let's say first roll number I am dragging here. So it is coming all with this roll numbers. Now here one I can drag immediately the second field also, if you see. Now before dragging all the fields, one more thing is here which is not present in the wizard. Here you can adjust the width. Here you can see, here you can adjust its width. You can see here this much only I wanted. Still it is bigger, so I could make it little bit more smaller. I will make it little bit more smaller, and student name also not needed that much, so I can make it this much. Whatever I want, that much only I can take. And here I will drag this one also. So this also very big, so I will take it little small here. This much is sufficient. Then I will drag this grade. So this is again. I will take marks. Now this whatever required filter only you can take, not all. This is the way of taking selected fields or all fields. I have taken almost all fields I am taking here, and I am adjusting also. And I have taken the address here. So that's address. This is enough address here. So this way you can take whatever field you want, or all the fields you can take. Now you can adjust the width also. Now I will save this. This is the student report 2, I will say. Now I will close this student report 2, and student report 1 also I will close. And now double click this, you can see this is the student report 2 I am getting here, in which in student report 1 it is coming without any formatting here, but here you can see easily you can adjust the field very close by, and here it was coming far away together, no adjustment view at all, but here we have adjusted according to your own will. Even you can this have this in the report view, the design view, all this view you can open it here. Now once again we will try this. We'll with the help of this we will create this in the blank report, and this time I will take only selected fields, like I will take a roll number, which is must because it is a identifier. And here this time I can increase also if you want. You can take bigger one like this or smaller, whatever you want here, and then this, and you can see here the fonts also are available here, different for this. Let's say this, here see you can font changed. You see these are fonts here, colors also are there. Different color schemes also we are getting. This is the office scheme which is default coming here, and here you can get customized colors also. You can see here the text color always can change. Now this all will not do here. Now let's say take another here, that is the name, and let's say only grade of them. So you can see here these fonts are different. It's a different, more this black will take. You can try out to different fonts. You can see this very small font, this is bigger font. So all these fonts little bit you can adjust here, as you can check here. These three only things we will take here. Now in this I can give the title also. I am adding title here. I will give student grade here. Heading I will give a student grade. Okay, so this I can add here grade. This also font I can change here. Let's save this as student report grade. So you understand it is a grade report. So I will close this all reports I will close, and then one by one again I will open and will show you. This is the student report getting the only grade is coming here. This also we are done with the blank grade, and this is one more. This the size is very small, student report 1. So in this we require a little bit. Now it is coming here. So this way we are getting these 3 reports. Now it is coming properly, and here we added headings also. So this is the we can see it is the report tool or blank report. There we can see this what will happen with report, that also we'll see now here. Let's say this report I will take now, just reports. See, it is coming here, report all here. It is similar like the blank report, only here we are not dragging any field. Here all the fields are coming on. It's the quickest way of doing the with the report. It is in between of the report wizard and the report. Here fields are coming like this. Only it is giving the same option of adjusting the fields. You can see all fields can be adjusted here. All the fields can be adjusted. We don't want this pitch, then we can make it small. Grade, then marks, then address here. So again this is the same way as what we have seen in the this. I will save it and I will give as student report, let's say it's 3. Now I will close this. I will close all the reports. Now you can see this is also coming like this only, which we have in the report 3. We can see only heading was there. In this also coming, it is, you can adjust report 3, it is also coming like this one. This report 2 which we have done with the help of this tool, blank report. Then report 3 we have done with the blank report, but we have given the heading also and taken selected here fields. And report 1 we have done by this blank board by dragging here, and 3 we are done with the report field, in which we are getting this automatically heading and all these things. Only we can adjust the width here. So this report tool is in between of report wizard and the blank report. It is similar to like blank report only, but giving little bit flexibility in increasing the width. So we have seen with the blank report these 3 reports are there. This report and this one, all 3 we are done with the help of blank report, and this report 3 is done with the report tool. So always we have seen how to make the reports by different ways. You can use blank report also, or you can report it is one and the same, in which only we are getting the flexibility of changing the width and giving the headings and everything. Now next time we will see how this can be done with the help of report design, and how we can give more formatting to the report. We can design the reports more. That we will see in the next practical. Let's see our assignment question now. So again, today's activity, whatever activity I done, in that you can add more 5 reports and create a report using the report tool. You can use that blank design and report design, and report tool, both you can use and try to make the report. In the next practical we will see how to do the formatting works in these reports, and for see new features of report making. Till then, thank you very much.